Managing a church involves much more than a Sunday service. It includes scheduling volunteers, organizing events, communicating with members, and keeping track of everything from donations to small groups. Planning Center is an all-in-one church management software designed to make these tasks easier, more organized, and more effective. Whether you're leading worship, managing check-ins, or scheduling volunteers, Planning Center offers powerful tools to streamline every part of your ministry. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Planning Center can help churches of all sizes manage their operations with less stress and more impact. From worship planning to member engagement, this platform is built to support ministry teams with smart, intuitive features that make church life run smoothly. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the service planning and scheduling. Planning Center Services lets you schedule volunteers, plan worship services, upload song files, and create detailed service flows. You can assign roles, send reminders, and organize every element of your worship experience. This saves time and avoids scheduling conflicts by centralizing all service details and streamlining communication with team members. Another key feature is the people management. You can track member profiles, group participation, volunteer involvement, and communication preferences. You can create lists, workflows, and even custom fields to tailor data to your church's needs. This provides a clear view of your congregation's engagement, making follow ups and ministry efforts more personal and effective. Another key feature is the giving and donation tracking. Planning Center Giving allows members to donate online, through mobile devices, or in person. It supports recurring gifts, text to give, and integrates with donor management tools for accurate reporting. This makes it easy for people to give consistently while reducing manual work for finance teams. Another key feature is the groups and small group management. You can organize small groups, Bible studies, or ministry teams with planning center groups. Leaders can take attendance, send messages, and post resources for their members. This fosters deeper community and spiritual growth through organized, easily managed group structures. Another key feature is the event check ins. With check ins, you can safely and efficiently manage attendance for kids, volunteers, and events. It supports label printing, self check in kiosks, and real time attendance tracking. This improves safety and attendance tracking, especially for children's ministry and high traffic events. Another key feature is the calendar and facility scheduling. The calendar module lets you schedule events, book rooms, manage resources, and prevent double bookings. Everything is centralized in one place for easy viewing and planning. This keeps your entire church staff and ministry leaders organized, reducing scheduling mishaps and resource conflicts. Another key feature is the integrated communication tools. Planning Center includes built-in email and messaging tools to keep your teams and congregation informed. You can segment your audience, send automatic reminders, and follow up after events or services. This strengthens connection and engagement by delivering timely, relevant updates to the right people. So, why is Planning Center a great choice? Planning Center is a purpose built platform for churches that brings all ministry functions into one easy to navigate system. Its modular design means churches can start with the features they need and add more as they grow. Each module integrates seamlessly, eliminating the need for multiple third party tools or scattered spreadsheets. With Planning Center, your staff and volunteers can collaborate better, streamline service planning, and engage your congregation more meaningfully. The platform is designed to be user friendly for everyone, from tech savvy worship leaders to volunteer coordinators with minimal digital experience. Its mobile apps also ensure accessibility on the go, which is essential for busy ministry teams. Planning centers reliability, customization options, and focus on church specific workflows make it a top choice for churches looking to enhance their organization and impact. So basically, Planning Center empowers churches to run more efficiently by offering a centralized, flexible, and intuitive solution for managing people, services, giving, and events. In 2025, with more churches embracing hybrid and digital first strategies, having a dependable tool like Planning Center is more important than ever. From planning Sunday worship to following up with first time visitors, Planning Center helps you focus less on logistics and more on ministry. So start using Planning Center today to bring clarity, structure, and connection to your church operations and take your ministry to the next level. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.